A robust telecommunication system can help you route and manage business costs of your organizations. When employees are in the office, they will deal with costs with their office phones. But once they're off the office, maybe on a business trip or at home, they will miss important costs since they have no access to the phone system. Very possibly, this will cause the business loss to some degree. What are you supposed to do? Apparently, office phones cannot be taken anywhere. Well, mobile and PC might be a good choice, especially smartphone. So, what if employees can answer calls with these devices together in office phones? Pretty cool, right? Well, is it possible? You might ask. Sure, it is. SIP forking is the solution for you. With SIP forking, one extension number can be shared on more than 2 devices, such as the office IP phone, SIP client on smartphone, and softphone on PC. When there is an incoming call to the extension number, users can answer the call with any device accessible. Now, you won't miss a call. Need a soft phone solution? Check the linked video for SIP forking application. More information for VoIP solutions, subscribe us or visit yaestar.com.